Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I will explain how to use live worksheets. For those of you who don't know, Live Worksheets is a website where you can practice grammar and vocabulary, listening, different activities in English, and it's an interactive digital workbook. The teacher creates the workbooks and you can practice in those workbooks. So let me take you to the website, and you're going to go to www.liveworksheets.com. Enter. Okay, so this is their main website. It's very complicated. It's not complicated, but you see many different things that you can do. Okay, so you are going to have to register as a student. So click where it says student in the top left corner. Okay. It says start learning with a free account on the left and an orange button. Click the orange button. Okay, are you a student or are you a teacher? You are a student, so you click student. Okay, it asks next for the group code. The group code you're going to receive from your teacher, el código del grupo. So just give me a second. I will pull up the group code and you can enter it here. Just a second. Pause. Paste. Okay, once you have the group code from your teacher, you enter the group code. The group code is only letters and numbers. Only lowercase letters. No uppercase letters, no capital letters. Las letras solamente van a ser en minúscula, nunca en mayúscula. Okay? Y no espacios, no spaces. Okay, they are going to ask you what email address you want to use. So I will put one email address for myself in. Okay. Next, they ask you to create a username, usuario. Your username is whatever you want. You create the username, not the teacher. Okay? Your username, as long as nobody else has that name, you can use it. You can create it. Okay, so my username, let me see. My username is going to be English Lover 1. For example, you can choose a different one. Your password, contraseña, your password is whatever you want. The teacher does not make the password. You make the password. Okay, so it says my password is weak. So it says recommendations to make your password stronger. Make it at least 12 characters. Characters are letters and numbers, right? And sometimes special characters. And add punctuation, so exclamation point or something. So let me add an exclamation point. It's fair. I guess it's not long enough. Let me see. What can I do? Okay, I know. Yes, okay, it is strong. Now it's blue, it's strong, everything is cool. And you type it again, otra vez, para confirmar. You may type it again. So it might be a good idea, sería una buena idea que ustedes tengan sus cuadernos y escriben todo. Okay, have your notebooks and write everything. Write your password, write your username, write which email address you used, okay? Because it's easy to forget. Es fácil olvidar. Okay, so all the letters and numbers are exactly the same, identical. It will say password match, yes. Okay, so also with this username, si alguien ya tiene ese nombre, tiene que escoger otro. If somebody already has this username, you have to choose a different one. So si alguien ya tiene el usuario English Lover 1, tiene que cambiar. You have to change it. Tal vez English Lover 2 o otra cosa, something different. Okay? So your username is not necessarily your true real name. Okay? Next, they ask for your full name, first name, and last name. So, whatever I want. Okay. For example. Next, they ask for your birthday. There is no way to confirm your birthday. They just want to make sure that you are not a child, right? So I'm going to make a fake birthday. Okay, if I was born in 1980, that means I am older than 18. Okay, so I am an adult. What's your birthday? In English, you put your month first, month, el mes primero en inglés. And you put the date second, la fecha segundo. Okay, okay, and what country are you in? I am in the United States. Where are you, United States? Here. Okay. I have read, yo he leído, and I accept the terms of use. If you don't click this, si no hacen click aquí, no va. It's not going to go. So please check. Okay. I am not a robot. I am not a robot. Yo no soy robot. So you click that. And then you click the next button, which says create a new account. Click that. Forget that. No olvida eso. Don't forget that. Click log in. Okay. Your email is unconfirmed. No confirmado su email. Please verify to unlock all the features. So ahora no hay nada because you are unconfirmed. If you go to my workbooks, no hay nada. Okay. It says your email is unconfirmed. Please verify to unlock all features. Oh, y esto. Ustedes pueden cambiar la lengua. You can change the language so all the instructions are in Spanish. Workbooks, tarea, comentarios del profesor, mis cuadernos. Okay. Pero quieren en inglés, por supuesto, right? You want it in English, right? Okay. All right. And I'm not quite sure. Excuse me. I think this is Bengali, but I'm not sure. But they don't have any other languages, just English, Spanish, and Bengali, Nepali. I don't know. Anyway, let's go back to English. And you cannot move forward if you have not confirmed your email. So let's do that. So we'll go back to your email that you gave, whatever email you gave. For this account, you go back to that email and you confirm that you are who you say you are, that this is a true email. I was about to run out of email addresses. Sheesh. Glad I had a few left. Well, that's why I'm making this video, to help you out today, tomorrow, always. So you might find in your junk email or your spam folder a message from Live Worksheets. So go to that message. It says, welcome to Live Worksheets. Please activate your email. Por favor, que activen su cuenta de email. Click on that. Okay, it says, please follow this link to activate, para activar your email and start receiving notifications from your teachers. Okay, so click, haz un clic en el enlace, click on that, y van a pedir su cuenta otra vez, right? No, ya tiene. Okay, so you go to My Dashboard, y todavía dice sus cuadernos. It still says your workbooks. So when you click on that, todavía no hay nada. Y refresh. Y ahora yo tengo cuadernos. Now I have the workbooks. Now I can start practicing. You can click on the workbooks and you can practice. So for example, this is one page. So good night. I'm going to sleep. Good afternoon. She's already dressed. I don't know. No, she's saying hello, right? Good evening. She's in bed reading. Good afternoon. Goodbye. And maybe good morning. Okay. I think I got 100. I always mix up the pictures. And then when I'm finished, I can click finish. And then if everything is green, that means everything is correct. I got 10 out of 10. Okay. And if I want, I can go to the next page by clicking this button, this arrow, la flecha, on the bottom right corner. Okay. Okay, and there are different activities. You can go look at the entire workbook, arriba. You can see todas las páginas. You can see all the pages above, right? And you want to focus on some specific page. Maybe you want to focus on, I don't know, let me find something short. Here, let's work with the simple past. Simple past of the verb to be. For example, it's something easy we can do. I saw it somewhere in here. Now I can't find it. My eyes are bad. Anyway. Okay, here we go. Was or were. So we have to use the verb in the simple past. My mother was ill. My friends were happy. You type in. So there are different things. You can do matching, typing, multiple choice, listening. There are many different activities you can do. They were angry. The pizza was delicious. You were bored. The dog was hungry. He was very tall. The coffee was too hot. The weather was cold. You were, you meaning you too in plural. Not that it matters. The children were excited. It was very rainy. We were late. The cat was scared. And parents were proud. And I was sleepy. Then when you click finish. I mean, when you finish, you click finish. Everything is green. Oh, this one. I don't know why. What? Who said the coffee were? That is incorrect. Okay, so teachers make this, and sometimes the teachers make mistakes, and this is a mistake because coffee was is correct. But because of the mistake, the perceived mistake, you only got 9 out of 10. Okay, and this is a good activity for you to practice. Okay, this was a good activity for you to practice. I hope this helped you, and I hope this explain how to use live worksheets as a student, how to register, how to make an account, how to do the activities. Let me know if you have any questions below. Type them in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.